Did you find her? Oh gods, what happened? No, 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 not my little girl. Talisman said you defenders were the best in Lucia. Oh, sweetheart, I'm so sorry I couldn't protect you. I'm sorry. Daddy is right here. Someone get a healer. Now. Oh gods, please come back to me. Please. Don't leave me alone in this world. Sweetheart, can you hear me? Please don't go. I need you. Some defenders you are. You have failed me, and all of Lucy. Hey, go back to your dwarves. I'm sure there are children there that need to be abandoned. Don't ever come back to these lands. And tell Talisman he can take his conquest plan and shove it up his greedy ass. Fuck all of you.